Hello, welcome to this Android development tutorial brought to you by North Border Software. My name is Gary and this is part 7 of the Getting Started series. What I think would be useful to do is start looking at some of the resources, particularly the string values which can be stored in resource files. If you look at this, the navigation tree under the Android view, you'll see that all the resources here. So things like images are resources. They're all stored in the drawables folders. Values is interesting because you have things like strings, and this is what we're going to work on at the moment. Other resources would be menu items, which can be you've got the action bar menu, so the details of any menu items are included there. So other things that could be resources are things such as music. They're stored in this area here and they're drawn on by the app as and when needed. So why are we doing this? Well, you can see here with the hints and the text view here and the button text, I've coded this directly into the XML file itself, which is fine itself, but that's not particularly scalable. If this was repeated numerous times, then I would have to find every instance there is and edit that manually. Also as well, we may want to internationalize our app in terms of having different languages. We can actually use the string values in a string file associated with each particular country, so we can actually have a common layout and just draw on the individual languages as needed. So what I want to do is change this reference here to a reference in the strings.xml file. So this is the file I opened up, strings.xml. We'll just look at that now. So you can see there's some predefined strings already, but I just want to define a few more which are relevant to our app. So just kind of shortcut things a little bit here. So we need to set a name. So the first name we'll have is first underscore name, can't have spaces, and it'll be for the hints. So it'll be enter first name. So we'll just do this for the 4 or so items in our layout. Let's make this last name. And we'll have one for the button, which was, we called it combine. I'll just change that to combine names now. And the last one was the result text field. I'll do this one slightly differently because it has no meaning until we actually set the text. So I'll just keep that one as a blank for the moment. Let's just close that gap up. That's fine. I can put this in inverted commas if you need that to be there as well. Okay, so I'll just save that. Right, and what we need to do now is go back to the XML layout. Okay, so now I want to point this to the you've got this little warning here, enter first name hard coded. So want to point this now to the string resources. So the format is @string. So that's pointing to the string value file, and it's I think it was just first name, wasn't it? Yes, we've got the at first name, and so we do a similar thing down here. And we'll make this last name. Let's be at string combine, and this was at string results. Okay, so if you have a quick look at the design view now, You see the results disappear for the moment, but everything else is as it should be. So just zoom into that, and the results just disappeared. So that's fine. So that's really just a very basic overview as how to use the string resource file. By all means test that app, but that's all for this tutorial for now. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.